I'm leaving Paris now. It's like 6:30. I'm catching an early train to Amsterdam. Reason why I'm not staying in Paris for longer, and why I tried to do all the tourist sites in like one night, is because I entered myself into a beatbox battle today in Amsterdam, like a few weeks back. So I needed to get there by today, and like Paris was a good halfway point in between the two, so I thought I'd stay the night here. But yeah, now I'm leaving today, and I gotta be there before like 5 p.m. The event starts at like 6, but I'll start later obviously. But yeah, it'll be good. I'll try and get some footage, and I'm not really prepared either, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, technically my first ever international battle, so it'll be cool.
I just wanna and you know that you gotta get it done. Stop lying, shit's only just begun. Say goodbye to having fun, 'cause it's time to get shit done. What? It's time. Switch. Heave ho, hoist the colors up high. Heave ho, beggars and thieves. Heave ho.
Everyone fire out with your gun. Get up on the bass drum. Singing pecos, pina coladas and rum. Wind up them bodies until they get numb. On everyone fire out with your gun. Get up on the bass drum. Singing pecos, pina coladas and rum. Wind up them bodies until they get numb. Until they get numb. Alright, we're going to find out who won the Amsterdam beatbox battle. And give it up for Clown for taking second place.
I think everyone wonders what they would do if they saw a ghost. Ghosts are coming closer.
Shout out to PNG.
And that's time. Give it up for Icon. Next up. Give it up for Benja and Switch. And beatbox.
out here. Well, that was sick. Yeah, so eventful. My train was delayed on the way here, so I didn't make the main battles, but I came like 2 hours late or something like that. But I could enter like the side battles. It's called 7 to Smoke. Eventually, what happens is you do your eliminations. So like there was 14 people that entered. Best 8 get chosen, and then it's kind of like winner stays on, like King of the Hill. And it's like first to 7 points. That's why it's called 7 to Smoke. So you battle pretty much everyone. If you lose, winner stays on. That's the one I entered. That's the competition I entered. So at least I got to compete, except I didn't make top 8, unfortunately. But whatever, it is what it is. I did, however, meet Biart, who was my first ever beatbox teacher. He's the Dutch champion and also top 4 in the world. He's insane. So good to see him again. And I also met BMG, who, if you watch my other vlogs, I met him in Taiwan, and we became quite close. So it's so cool to see him again and hang out with him. Insane event. I loved it. So yeah, man, it was fun. It was fun to perform again, even though I didn't make it through, whatever. But hopefully I'll have the video in this vlog. So yeah, it was sick. Fully enjoyed it. Okay, so now I'm on my way to meet Lauren, who I went travelling with in Thailand. She did her Project Trust Gap year there, and she's also doing her Erasmus in Amsterdam. So I'm gonna go meet her for a drink. But I'm very late because I walk everywhere in Amsterdam because I haven't figured out the public transport yet, and I have no cash on me. So yeah. Do you know what's back, Lauren?
What's back?
The vlog. Yes, she's back again. If you remember this one from the first series.
The first series.
The first series, this is part 2.
I
This is
didn't have
Lauren.
a big part in it. Though.
No, you just kind of kicked around on your moped.
That's what you did.
For the vlog.
For the vlog?
For the vlog. For the vlog.
Question mark?
See, she's on it now.
Oh my god, it's the black cat.
Oh my god.
Murdered.
It's a murder of black cats. They won't get that reference, but that's funny.
I'm gonna call the bench. I'm calling the bench. Oh man, you're funny.
So you're a natural at this vlogging stuff.
Yeah.
I've had so many people just
Crumble under the pressure?
crumble under the
no,
pressure.
normally me too.
But
I
you're an
just,
expert now. You're so
don't look
used to it.
directly at it, and it's fine.
Just monologue.
One time I went to this villa. It took too long for you to...
No way. No, I was basking in the silence, you know. Amsterdam. I should explain how I know you, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we met on Project Trust, and I met her in Thailand. For people that don't know.
No,
And
we
you're.
didn't meet me in Thailand. You met me before Thailand.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I met you in Project Trust, and then I met you in Thailand. Not for the first time, is what I'm saying. And now you're doing your Erasmus in Amsterdam. No?
Amsterdam.
And you're leaving soon, though.
I'm leaving on Wednesday.
Whoa.
It's gonna be me just staring at this area on the camera because I can't look directly at it.
You look so philosophical.
Amsterdam.
Well, apart from the time I got scammed in Valencia for a hostel that has to be the worst hostel experience I've had. The one I've also paid the most money for. I paid 70 euros for that. But basically, I checked in last night. I go to my bed. Someone's in my bed. So it's like, okay, whatever. I look around, there's an empty bed. And like his friend who's awake, the guy in my bed was asleep, just kind of points over to the other bed and goes, I go there. I was like, okay, but if someone comes in, I'm taking his bed. Like, I paid for this bed. So I was like, okay, whatever. I look around, there's triple bunk beds. Like, I know it was like a 10-person room, but Jesus, like, one on top of the other, it seems so unsafe. I was so close to the ceiling. I had like no room at all. So basically being suffocated by the bed and the ceiling. And then as well as that, like, the stuff seemed like kind of dodgy, and like I woke up this morning and like there's some nice guy just trying to ask like where's the best place to get breakfast to this other guy, and the other guy's like, oh, don't you have friends, like F off basically. And this guy was only asking for breakfast. It's so aggressive. Yeah, I don't know. So not the best experience, most expensive and the worst hostel I've been in so far, but at least I was only there for one night. So now I'm heading to meet Leonie, who was my flatmate in third year. She's Dutch. She's in the Netherlands now, hopefully back in Glasgow soon, this September. And then we're also going to meet her friend Jules, who came to visit her from the Netherlands in Glasgow. So I met him before as well. I think we're going to go for breakfast somewhere. So yeah, that'd be nice. I'm excited.
First appearance on the vlog.
Whoa, look who it is. It's Leonie in the Netherlands this time. What? So I live with Leonie in third year. She was my flatmate, and hopefully flatmates again soon. If we can get a flat, that is, right?
True.
True.
Yes.
True.
Which is a bit difficult.
It is a bit difficult.
I don't know where to look. I don't know if that's your face or at the
I mean,
camera.
we can do like we can do some angles if you like. But she's my official tour guide of the Netherlands. I've never been here before, so my faith is in you, Leonie.
Yes, I already got you a card for
That's
the public
true.
transport.
She's already saved me.
Yes.
Very pretty.
Do you think it's like a weird joke, see you?
So where are we, Leonie?
Well, do you want the Dutch or the English name?
Both.
We're on Dam Square,
Uh-huh.
which is Paleis op de Dam in Dutch.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So it's basically where, well, we didn't have royal family at first, but where like the people that led our country lived. It's here. Also, they used to behead people over there, like near the balcony.
Lovely.
Yes.
So nice.
That's very nice. Do I need to tell you about the statue as well? Or
I think
for
so.
The vlog, for the
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Okay. So the statue, it's like a war memorial thing, and it was designed by someone from the village where I went to high school.
Uh-huh.
So I had a lot of lessons on it, but I don't really remember a lot about it because I didn't find it too interesting.
And it's currently being repaired, right?
Yes, it's currently being repaired. I mean, it's very nice. It's very nice if it's like not repaired.
No.
You can look at it.
I'm sure. flower market. The tax tower.
Tax tower. Well, it's called Muntoren, which is like, it literally translates to coin tower.
Coin tower.
Coin tower.
Hey. Where are we?
The middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere.
Well, yes, sort of. We're getting more middle of nowhere, but this is part of it.
Yeah, we're gonna take your car to literally the middle of nowhere, right?
Yes, we are.
To the hometown of...
Tuitjenoren.
That's the one.
Yes.
I don't think I could pronounce that right in a million years. No tulips. So sad.
No, normally they're here, but like earlier in spring.
Yeah, it's like April, right? April, March.
Yeah, April, March.
Leonie's
The
house.
house.
Leonie's house.
The house. Oh, I need to close my window. Ice cream.
Ice cream for the vlog.
Yes, we must be in the vlog, right? Eating ice cream.
Ook even een juttertje pakken.
Oh my god.
Ik ga er wel voor met
Want
drie.
dit is bijna niks meer.
This is terrible.
Terrible. This is a self-made liquor from Austria.
Uh-huh.
We did not make it, but our friends did make it.
Amazing.
It's made from like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, the things that grow on it, like the
Pines.
Pines. Yes,
The pines of a Christmas tree. This is made of it.
Oh.
It really tastes like it.
Yeah.
And it really smells like it.
And it's terrible over.
I can't wait.
This is really, in Austria, this is really, they're very proud of it.
Right.
So you cannot refuse.
Okay.
Because then they are really
Yeah, you gotta take it.
offended, yeah.
I look
you have
forward
to
to it.
take it.
Amazing.
And they make it themselves and they have their own label on it.
Oh yeah.
And they're really proud of it.
I can't wait to taste it.
Austria, but there's not much in it anymore. This is from
Latvia.
Latvia.
Oh yeah.
And this is real Dutch.
Hey.
Original
Even
Dutch.
from here, like
Cannot-
from the Isles.
And you cannot get this in the whole country, only here.
Wow. It's very special. Gonna try them all.
You can.